thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, until 5 p.m. At 3:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Depew, or near Hennepin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Somonauk, Earlville, North Utica, Serena, Leland, Paw Paw, Millington, Dayton, Cedar Point, Troy Grove, Triumph, and Harding. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 53 and 79. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 92. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central and northeastern Illinois. This is no weather.